Hey guys, it's Go with Georgie, and I'm here with
Sophia here, and Gigi Green here, and Gemma. Hi.
And we're all wearing matching onesies. And today we're gonna be playing Sweet Shaper, and we're gonna use Airheads because they're nice and soft. So let's get started.
So I'm picking my mold.
So guys, so there's stop. So guys, there's all these molds. So there's this little skull right here, and then we had to roll these Airheads up, and then we put them right here to make sure they're the right shape. And then you crumble it up in the ball, and then you grab the mold that you want, and then you put the lid on, and then you push this down. And then when you're done, take it off, and then it will be the mold that you chose. So Sophia is gonna go first. So she was gonna do the multicolored one, and she's gonna measure it first.
Yeah.
It looks good. Now we're gonna put it in the bowl. We're gonna put it down here. Okay, so now it's like that. So Sophia chose this flower one with a little smiley face on it. So now we're gonna push it down, and then we're gonna put the lid on so it doesn't fling off. Oops.
Yeah, guys.
And now Sophia is going to push it down. Is it gonna work?
I think so.
Okay. Now we're gonna take off the lid and see if it worked. Comment down below if you think it worked, guys.
Yeah. Comment down below.
Let's see.
Kind of stuck.
Kind of stuck.
And I hope we don't lose it. Second. Not Sophia.
Did it.
Did you guys comment right?
My turn.
Here you go.
My turn.
So guys, Gigi's gonna go. She already measured hers, so now we're gonna stick it in. So now she pushed it down. So now we're gonna put the lid on. 3, 2, 1, push.
We push it down really hard so it mixed.
So it's straight up. Now we're gonna take the lid off.
Yes. Ow.
Gigi,
And hello. Hello.
did it work?
Hello. Let's see.
Comment down below if it worked.
Yeah.
Georgie, it's kind of stuck in your head.
It worked.
See if you did it right.
Put it in your pile. This is
Put
my
it up front.
This is my pile.
Okay, so Gemma can go next.
This is my pile. I need to make.
Where are you going?
I'm gonna use this unicorn.
So Gemma's doing a mix of watermelon and strawberry. So now she has to measure hers.
I'm gonna make mine of cherry too. Cherry.
It looks good.
Yeah. Put that in.
What is this?
Okay, put that in there.
So there's a unicorn one. She's gonna put it on. Wait, Gemma's doing something.
Inside out. Sunny side
Now-
up. Sunny side
Wait, Gemma.
down.
We're gonna put the lid on. Okay, Gemma, you can push it down.
I'm gonna see if it works. Cool.
Okay, I think that worked. Let's see. You guys think it worked?
Yeah, I think it. Comment down below if it. I think it did. Comment down below if it worked. Comment down below if you think it worked. I am going to measure mine again. Where? I need one.
Ooh, this one's really sticky.
Oh, I'll get the red
Pull
one.
that from the back
I'll
now.
get the red one too.
knobby thing.
Go to shoulder.
It worked.
Look, it's a little unicorn.
Let me see. I want to see.
Put it up in front.
I'm gonna put it later.
So guys, it's my turn. So I'm gonna measure mine, and I'm doing blueberry. It looks good. So now we're gonna stick this in, and I decided to do the shooting star.
Yeah.
No, wrong
And
way.
that one's the best of all. No, I was gonna do the shooting star. I'm just gonna use this.
Okay. Now we're gonna put it down. Now I'm gonna push it down.
You can use a unicorn.
Ah, this
You
one's
can use a unicorn.
No, Sophia's using that one.
okay.
You can use a flower.
Gemma. Now I'm gonna take it off.
And that was gonna be so fun. After this video, we're gonna get to try this.
And I
watch
got
the
my
next
shooting
video.
star. And these are all our products that we made.
Now we
One. Bye guys. Thanks for